well done, Daniel. Well done, Jay.
Arian, stop interacting. You ready?
Come on, mate.
You always get pissed at me. Stop it.
Someone's got to go to him. Someone has to go.
Come on, switch it up. Switch it up. Oh,
Daniel.
unlucky. Thomas, well done.
Go, Jay, take off.
Behind you, Dom, behind you.
Through.
Well done,
Go,
Dom.
go, go. 3 against 1.
Win it.
Drop back, Sid. Go, Sid. In the end. Oh, wake up, lad. Come on. Lucas, mark up. Well done. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's move.
Hold it up there.
That's it. Look up. Take her on.
Step.
That's right. Step, reset. Jack, back. Jack, Jack. Yeah. Please, don't start it. Jay, take off. Come on. Take his ball.
Press.
That's it. Go.
Press long, press long.
Jack. Well done. Well done, Jay. Hold it back. Stay wide, Xavier. Well done, Levi. Support him, Levi.
Yeah.
Jackson, don't get too up.
Too easy.
Drop. Look at him, Thomas. Come here, manager. Tuck in now, tuck in. Tuck in. Lucas, tuck in.
Come and give an option,
Yeah, ball
That's
down.
right.
Now win it.
Yeah,
Win it.
Okay, come more central. You gotta give an option.
Yes. That's right. Hey, move around when we have the ball.
Well done, Levi. Good pass. Good try. Come here, Gaffer.
Jack. Yeah.
We don't want to get stopped on Gaffer.
I'm going to stand on that side. Sorry, I'm just thinking.
They're recording.
I don't know anyone's names, bro.
Wait, Jackson 90 Seb Shites on the back of our shirts.
You could have saved me from walking around, bro.
I literally told you to come. You didn't hear me though. Oh, Mark was here as well. Who? Yeah? What?
Who's mine?
Early. Took your fucking time. We're 1-0 down already.
No way you're already 1-0 down.
Right, from kickoff.
Jackson, what the fuck?
Vicky, good. Bro, I literally rushed home from Oh, when do we make subs?
Cunt, I'm so pissed, bro. I can't even play finals.
Yeah, but can we make subs now? You're our gaffer.
I don't know. You are
How long has it been, Portia?
It's been 4 minutes.
4 minutes to 5 every 5.
Except just don't stop me off.
Okay. No way he doesn't score. Oh my god.
He's gonna take it down.
Ball up.
This guy sucks.
Out, really?
And again, Dom. Get back, Lucas.
But I have no water as well. I'm fucked.
Yeah, massive bag.
Yeah, I'm using some of yours, alright?
Yeah, I'm just. Don't open my bag. What's on my bag?
Fucking. Bro, just sub us after this play. And you just have to ask. It's working, Daniel.
How late did the game start?
I think it started like 3 minutes later. No, I was up there 3 minutes after the game. Release, Seb.
Bro, you were here when the game started.
Yeah, they paused the game. Take off early. Take off. Go.
Seb.
Finish.
Oh my god.
Alright, you want to sub? Yeah. Get in. Go.
You do the
wait.
subs, right? And then
Wait the next out, next out. Just say it now and say next out.
Double.
Jackson.
he almost hit you. It's our ball. None, it's our ball.
Seb ball.
Jackson.
I don't think we're subbing on any time.
Jackson just yelled at me like I'm his mum.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You Jackson.
Jackson, stay on. It's fine.
Oh, see!
Cross it. One behind.
Take that.
What are you doing?
Hit it. Shoot. Hit it.
Why does this guy take so many touches to shoot?
Oh, he just likes to have the ball.
Win it. He's touched. Now go.
He loves balls.
Save his feet, turn!
Rodner has no where it is. Black and dark blue. Same colour soft.
One more. Let it go, let it go.
Have
Well
it.
done. Jay, let it go.
What is going on? Well, this is the most like uncoordinated game I've ever seen.
Yes, speak. First stop.
Seb, yours.
Wait, Jackson, next out. Wait. Get on.
One.
Just shut up. Hey, I'm about to see you. What do you expect? It's not a foul. Okay? Right. I'll tell you what, you're going. Mate, you've got a foul. Just stop it. Hey, play it.
We need no.
Yes. Play relax.
Yeah. Shoot.
Michael, run! Win it, Daniel.
Hot.
Play it.
What the fuck? What?
No, it's just to give fucking time.
Hit it!
Seb, get rid of it quicker, yeah?
Keep if you're on.
Back. Back.
Daniel. Midfield.
You got Jack. You got Jack.
Hey, Xavier. Get it back.
Sorry, no, to Michael, yeah. Michael, shoot!
Have it. Oh, you don't do.
Wait, Michael!
Yes, Ari, well done.
Yeah.
Yes, Arian! Yes, shot. Arian!
Wait, do it start in 5 minutes. Make sure the next guys start to do it.
Press. Inside. Press on.
Step next one. Arian, step!
Turn.
That is
Wait,
one of the
in the
worst
air, in
balls
the air.
I've ever seen in my life. He has to finish that, there's no way. Oh my god.
Yes, Arian!
Shoot!
Yes, Arian! Well done. Drive now, Jax, drive!
2 steps back, Levi. 2 steps back. Mark up.
Jax, one of you back.
Play the cake.
Daniel.
Ref,
Daniel,
can we
play
play the
midfield.
cake
Buddy, you play
Take your
midfield.
space. Take your
But
space.
when it's in this half, they can only play it once.
So if we go after them.
Yeah, from half. If it's up, then play whatever.
Who, me?
Back, Lucas.
Okay, who are you subbing on for?
Get back, Lucas.
Next out, you're going, yeah?
Back.
Next out.
Back! Doesn't have to do that.
Does not have to be out. Arian, cut off that side. Yes, Arian. Yes, Arian.
Why did you call the foul?
Bro, it was a side tackle.
Suicide.
They're right in the front of the goal, obviously. Don't you play that side?
She says.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine.
Let's go, guys.
I'd say do that, so
So you're not playing half?
Huh?
So you're not playing half?
You play outfield or goalkeeper?
Guys, I'm leaving this on morning, alright? I know we're waiting to now.
We have all Christian around, bro.
We're 380. 2 on 1s. 3 on 1s.
Yeah, we're best in
Dribbling in the middle. And we're not giving it.
Jockey Ori, hold Ori, don't tackle, just hold.
Get it back. We'll score goals.
What? We've already versed you. Michael, just jockey.
Get it
I
back.
don't know why.
Being Christian around.
Arian has only got a left foot.
Good, Ori, just hold Ori.
You're going to get it back.
Go, Michael.
We're not playing that way.
Make run line. Good.
Go, Michael.
Oh, he didn't want to touch the ball. That was a good ball.
Mark, let's be a little bit closer to me, alright? We've had a couple of chances. Thomas
Michael.
is getting through, guys. He's the attacker.
You? Sweet. Pretty fake as well. Get up, don't fuck. Jackson's fucking. Someone videoing. Someone
Guys, if you're playing midfield, you've got to work. If you're playing a diamond, the ball's got to go up and down, okay?
Who's the DM dropping back?
Keeper,
Michael, you need to run back as well, yeah?
Michael's open! Use your eyes, boys, come on! Fucking hell, just play your team, man.
Kick off!
Michael, make a run in the space! Michael, run in the space! Look here, run! For fuck's sake, bro. Oh my god, he doesn't like running. Jackson, give it to Jackson! Wait, come out wider.
play back. Use the keeper.
Hey Jackson, back to gate. Good Jackson. Good, have a hit.
Finish.
Alright, any other questions? Alright guys, let's start.
Michael, you need to run, bro. Get it. Where's Jackson? Get it and shoot.
Give it a go, guys. I want 2 touches, guys. Guys, 2 touches.
Who's there?
Yeah, I want to see 2 touches. Got it? No one's playing.
I get confused.
Bro, who's DM?
Wipe us up.
Daniel, work up there, okay?
Alright, 2 DM, no shot. Hello, manager. You're the manager. Do you want to run today?
Bro, my calf is so sore.
That's what you said last week.
No, I didn't.
And the week
Last week I was in goal.
and 2 weeks before that. He always goes from, oh yeah, I'm not going to play this weekend, sorry boys, to, oh yeah, I'm not playing.
Yeah, well, I'm playing. Do you want me to play or not?
Well done, Doma.
Thomas, draw!
Closer, Levi.
What's the score?
Thomas.
4-0.
4.
Win it!
Why don't you guys play the keeper, bro?
Oh my god.
Look up! Bad luck, good try.
Tanya, centre back.
Yeah, well done, Xavier. Patience, patience, patience. Keep moving it. Keep moving it.
My calf.
Xavier, well done.
I just did my ankle. Who's off next? Well, who's off next? Wait, do you know who's off next? Who just came on? Seb? Oh,
Probably Gay.
Gee.
Gay or Nanya.
No, I reckon we need Nanya. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how Arian's not with the red.
Come on, come on.
Why aren't you running?
Good.
My calves are actually killing me. I've been playing basketball for the last 6 hours, and now I'm playing soccer.
2-on-1.
I had training and I was playing with mates.
I like Doma.
Nice, Nanya!
He's holding him.
Daniel, make the run. In and out, in and out. Yeah, well done. Play it, play it.
Can you go?
Good, Thomas. Take it, boy.
One of you!
No, it wasn't.
That's Nanya. No, you won it. Iron could have gone up.
Early.
Yeah, you want to come off?
Well done, guys. Get up. Well done, Xavier. Well done, Daniel. Run. Levi, why are you going? Get it. Come and get it.
Finish. Oh.
You get Daniel up. You get Daniel. Well done. Take off. Jace, you stay.
Chase me.
Hey, Levi, go, Levi.
Michael Centre.
Tom, drive. Tommy. Early, Tommy.
Got it. Daniel. You can play on the left, right? Play on the left. Xavier, ball.
If I had scored, I would take it.
Get it back. Get it back.
Men on!
Go Levi, go. Jay, stay. Jay, come across.
Nanya, push in!
Well done, Victor.
Well done, Jay.
Come on, come on. Pull for it. Hey! Get back, Lucas.
Don't let him through.
Never, never.
What?
Mate.
Go next, right? Next. Hey, Levi. That's it, Lucas, you stay. Wrap around the wall second. Lucas, well done. Well done, Levi.
Apparently he's done his calves or something like that.
Shire, come out when the ball comes.
That's how I got there.
Come on, keep it.
I'll let you know when your game finishes. I'll let you know when it's half time. When it's half time, I'll let you know. I'm not walking. I'm not. I'm not gonna walk. Why would I walk? We can't. They're very good.
Seb, stop shooting pads.
There's no point.
Who's going indoors?
Seb, stop shooting pads, bro.
What?
Stop shooting pads.
Are you going indoors goals?
Me?
Obviously not running. I know, yeah, I've never heard. But if you can't run, then it's better going goalkeeper.
Michael, go on goals, bro. You haven't run this whole half. It's like I'm not.
Hey, just have fun. I'm sorry, just have fun.
You have to win this to make that happen.
Yeah,
Really?
No,
Yeah, that's the one.
Wait, we need 6 in one half? No.
Easy.
Yeah, listen, no one here wants to actually run, so if you want to run, we'll try and run. If you want to run, we'll try and win. If you don't want to run, we'll just have fun, yeah? I'm not fast. If you don't want to fucking run...
Is that what you care about? Fuck you.
But if you boys actually
I want to fucking win. Can we actually start?
If you actually want to win the game, we've got to track back, use all the energy. Boys, what the fuck is you can do in the tomorrow? Who cares if you try tomorrow?
Who cares if you fall over? Just fall.
What are you doing
Get
tomorrow?
in front of the ball.
What are you doing tomorrow?